Alright guys, almost done. So now we're gonna curve it. Use the mandrel to bend it a little bit. Looks like it's there, but let's straighten it out a little bit. If you're not a professional, it's not a bad idea to get a second opinion. I always ask my lady to check out the work to see if it's straight, or to see if it's looking right so far, especially on ladies' things. I ask for her opinion, ladies' jewelry. Stand up, get a view from the top of it. Make sure it's looking good. So once you solder it, it's on there for good. To move it while you're soldering is just a pain. So you want it to sit just right. So all you really have to do is put the flame to it and press down, and let it start sitting on its own. If you can, also use these pliers that for bending rings. They help out a lot too. Looking good, looking good. Don't press down too hard, just easy pressure on it. Easy pressure. I might have to cut a little hole on the S. It's blocking the lock, to, the part of the lock to open it, to open the clasp. We'll see. And I usually put one of these pliers on the end to help redirect the heat from the link, so they don't come off. It doesn't always work, but it helps. So it doesn't separate from the chain. You don't have to solder it back on. Solder the two pieces together. And looking about right. Just sitting about right. If you need to unbend a certain spot, these come in handy for that too. Just kind of do it from the opposite side. Boom. Takes time, it takes time. I know I can pause the video and get it straightened out and then play it again, but if you guys are having trouble, then you guys know that I didn't just magically find the perfect spot. You know, you gotta work at it. And I think that's it right there. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, so that's about as good as it's gonna get. So let's just get our alcohol. Put some on there. Get a good amount on there. Where's my lighter? Gotta heat up the whole thing, so pretty big flame from the bottom. Using the honeycomb. Try to heat up all of it at once. Direct the solder to where you want it to go by heating up the plate where you want the solder to run. And get your solder pick also to press down on parts when the solder starts running. As soon as you see the solder start to flow, then you gotta be fast. Start pressing, directing your heat to making it flow all around. Careful with your flame. As you see, I'm lighting up my tweezers over there. I'm gonna heat up that base real nice. The bracelet, man, get that solder running. And always throw some flux on there if you could, once it's heated up like that. This green flux helps the solder run. That's what I'm putting on there right now. So that's good. We're gonna do that, leave that like that. What we're gonna do is pickle it and put it in the ultrasonic, steam it, and then bring it and hit it on the bracelet mandrel with the rubber mallet on the top. Kind of bring it all down and then heat it up again. That helps the solder run sometimes when it's being hard to work with, basically. So we're gonna do that in the next video.